Good morning. I hope you all had a great Makara Sankranti. I had a good one. So, a few updates before we move right into it. Um, my LinkedIn account is back. We are 6,000 followers on Instagram, and we are moving forward with a very positive mindset. So, welcome to day 11 of Fat Loss Journey with me. I have not had anything yet, so I'm thinking of making warm water, jeera, and turmeric's warm water and drink that for my morning drink. And then we'll be having ragi cheelas. It's going to be very interesting. So let's go. So I was sipping my morning drink and I was looking at my vision board, which is right in front of me right now. Sometimes I feel this is all too much. Doing YouTube, doing Instagram, and doing my MBA, and so many more stuff that I'm doing, which I can tell here. Um, Probably once it's successful, we can share it here. But I don't know. I feel like I'm doing a lot, and sometimes I feel demotivated to do things. And I do take pause. I do take breaks, but what happens when I take break is that I feel like I'm not being productive. So when I do this video, I upload it and I don't do anything else in my life apart from this, I feel a little productive. I feel like something is documented and posted on my channel so that I can go back to it and watch. So it's so weird how we have to navigate through this and this. So I'm just thinking if I don't know. I mean, my career and my passion is basically the same thing. I have not told you all about me a lot, so let me talk about that. I'm Sanjana and I'm doing MBA in marketing and finance. So, marketing and finance in the sense that is related to content. Basically, marketing in the sense digital marketing, offline marketing, all of it, influencer marketing, and I won't say an influencer, I'm a content creator. Am I an influencer? Comment down below if I'm an influencer. But yeah, basically the same thing. So um I don't know. I think I should document my life. I will definitely come back to this and I'll feel wow, okay, I've grown so much. But if I wasn't this, I couldn't be that. So makes sense, right? And yeah, so I have my 2026 vision board here. If you have not created your 2026 vision board, this is your sign to go and create your 2026 vision board. The main priority I've given for this year is health, of course, health and fitness, and which I'm doing, obviously. Apart from that, I have also given importance to a few more things, like of course growth on social media, which is happening in the very beginning of the year, which I'm so happy and grateful for, but we have a long way to go. So apart from that, there is something else on my vision board which I put this year, that is reaching certain goal on TikTok. Now I do have a TikTok account, um, but I don't know how far I will actually create content on TikTok, because every time I'm opening my phone to create this YouTube video, storage is full. So I'm not really sure, but should I start TikTok? Comment down below if I should start TikTok. Even if I'm going to start TikTok, it's going to be on fitness and lifestyle, um, just like YouTube. My Instagram is kind of different. I never post fitness content on Instagram. I don't know why. I just feel better to post it over here than post it over there, if it makes sense. And yeah, I have so many other goals. And if I have to reach to that goal, I need to sit and concentrate and do that work. It's not different, guys. It's one leading to another. But it has a different set of preparations that needs to be done to make that happen. And this takes a lot of time. Editing takes a lot of time. Damn, I just said welcome to fit for sorry guys. I just said welcome to day 11 of fat loss and I'm saying this to you all now. I'm just so sorry. Anyways, I'm drinking this. If I disappear, don't mind, because I always have a comeback and it's going to be a stronger one. So I'm drinking this turmeric nimbu jeera warm water. It looks kind of yellowish because it has turmeric in it. So smells like haldi but tastes fine only, not anything else. I also have to wake up early in the morning, which is getting a lot harder these days. I used to wake up at 5, 6. I don't know what has happened now. It's just I wake up at 9, 10, 11, probably 12 or 1. I don't know. So I need to do that. I'm concentrating on my fitness. I think you all should concentrate on your fitness as well. No matter if you're maintaining your weight, if you want to what has happened to me? If you want to lose your belly fat, if you want to gain muscle and lose fat, you have to start exercising. I saw this reel that said, if you go buy the gym membership in the starting of the year, doesn't mean you'll work out for the rest of the year. But at least it gives you a sense that you have bought it and you don't have to waste it and you have to go and do it, if that makes sense. So, yeah, take that one step that will lead you in many other right decisions, right path. Okay. So, hopefully, my account blows up and I achieve all the materialistic goal that I've put on my vision board. My vision board is actually prettier this time, and it's actually something I like to keep watching. It's not a lot of things. Maybe it is for you, but it's not a lot of things for me. But I love to watch it because last time I printed it out myself in a piece of paper, which came out like shit, but I kept it for the rest of the year. But this time I've gotten like a photo Xerox copies. It's like these photos that I've cut and have pasted. Um, all of it my favorite. No nazar. Um, so I really want to achieve all those goals. I wish I can come back in an year and tell that I achieved all of those, like all of those, and it feels so good. Wow, how would that feel, right? So, yeah, I don't have any motivation to give to you all right now, but this is all I've got. I hope you all have a great day and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is raw content. Can you see my face? It's so raw content. Um, yeah, I'll show you how I make ragi cheelas, and that will be it. So we have taken our cucumbers and our carrots. We'll be grating them and then adding some masalas to it and then adding our ragi powder to make ragi cheelas. It'll be very interesting. Just keep watching. Fitness is best understood as a lifestyle rather than a short term goal or like an aesthetic phase because of how the human body, mind, and habits actually work over time. So basically, the body is constantly adapting, it never finishes. Now, your body is always responding to what you do right now and not what you did months ago. So, if you're training consistently right now, your body adapts by becoming stronger, leaner, and healthier. But if you stop showing up, the body again adapts. Strength declines, conditioning drops, muscle mass reduces, metabolism slows down. So there is no permanent fit state that you unlock and keep forever. Fitness works like brushing your teeth. You don't brush once and say I'm done for life. You brush every single day, right? And that is why fitness cannot be a one time goal. It requires an ongoing input. These days everybody do fitness for Instagram so that they can put stories on Instagram, they can show it off. But aesthetic results are temporary, guys. Habits are durable. Your health operates on long timelines and not short bursts. So most of the biggest benefits of fitness don't show up immediately. For example, joint health, bone density, heart efficiency, insulin sensitivity, and hormonal balance, mental resilience. These are compounding effects. And please do not rely on motivation alone, because someday the motivation will fade. Can you still keep the same routine when you're not feeling like you have to do it today? Like when you wake up and you feel like, no, I'm not feeling like doing anything today, but will you still have the same routine that you usually do? That is what matters. You have to start building habits. You have to keep telling yourself, I feel like working out, I'm excited now, I get to work out, I'm so lucky. Life keeps changing and fitness must adapt with it. So your life will always change. Work stress, relationships, injuries, aging, schedule shifts, no matter what. A goal based mindset always says, I'll work out hard until X, then I'm done. X in the sense, you have some goal. You have to put that goal and you will be like, until that is done, I'm not done. So basically, what I meant to say is fitness is a lifestyle because the body constantly adapts. The results require maintenance and health benefits compound over time. Habits outlast motivation, guys. That's it. That's the point. Now I'm taking the ragi flour. I'm using this one. This is not sponsored or anything. I just use this one usually to make ragi balls for my dad. Ragi mudde. That's what we call it in Kannada. So I'm using the same ragi flour today. Let me show you. So yeah, like you can see, I've added the ragi flour. Now I'll be adding a little bit of besan. This is not any company's. This is the loose powder that you get in the stores. So I'm adding some besan. Okay, that's enough. If you make small cheelas, you might be able to make two, but I'm personally thinking to just make one cheela. That's enough. So I have this leftover. It's basically jeera water which I was drinking. So there are jeera chunks over there. I'll be adding this as well. Okay. Now for the taste, sambar or chili powder, anything that you call. A pinch of pepper. I've already added haldi to this with the water, so I'm not going to add another. So I'm not going to add haldi again. Now we'll be adding water to get it to the right consistency. Let me show you. Okay, I think it's already done. Just a little bit of water to make it. So can you see this? Now I'll be adding the chilas to this. Keep it in medium flame and add the rest. It's going to be absolutely tasty. You can pair it up with curd as well.